Okay, so I want to say a heartfelt congratulations to Nigeria on their Independence Day celebration. Happy Independence Day to Nigerian friends. Okay, so today we are going to do math challenge. What we are going to do is, if we drop the first question, the first 5 persons that answers will pick their answers, and the next thing we'll do is we the next thing we'll do is we solve it, and you see the solution and know whether you're correct or whether you're not correct. Okay, so question number 1 is solve 8 divided by 2 bracket 3 plus 1. What is your answer? Solve and drop your answer. Okay, solve and drop your answer. Please, you're welcome to Dr. Vivian Mathematics tutorial channel. All right, so at today's math challenge with Dr. Vivian Mathematics tutorial, we ask a question, you solve, we put down names of those who solved, and at the end of the day, I will solve and I'll tell you who is wrong or right. Okay, so you get a round good a good applause from me if you solve correctly. Okay, so please, we just wait for a few seconds. And the thing is, can you solve this in 10 seconds? Please, we work with time too. So what with seconds, and we go to the next question, please. So if you can solve this, kindly solve and drop your answer. Comment your answer. Let's solve and go to the next question. Hi, you're welcome. Thank you for joining us. So today's math challenge with Dr. Vivian. Please, we have dropped a question. Solve it, drop your answer. If you drop your answer, then I will solve and you see whether you got it right or correct. I came with beautiful math questions. You will love them. Okay. So please let me solve this. So solution to this, let me solve since nobody is solving. Okay. If I solve this, I'll set one more. Okay. Yes, thank you. Ved says 16. All right. So dash says 12. Okay, so that is 2 persons have answered. Please, if you join this live session, help me share so that more people will join us in this challenge. It's going to be lovely. You'll like it. All right, so thank you for joining. What we are doing today is live math challenge with Dr. Vivian, and the thing is, can you beat Dr. Vivian in mathematics? So prove it to me. I know you can beat me. Help me solve and drop your answer. Oh my bad, it's 16. Okay, so I'm changing this 16. All right, so I'm changing to 16. Okay, that's correct. All right, so dash is okay. We have another answer. Jarit Supen. Okay, 16. All right, so we'll solve this. How the challenge works is we take the first 5 solutions and we solve. Okay, even if more people answer, we'll keep mentioning their answers, and now we solve this. So let me solve this because this question has stayed for a long time. We solve this, we'll put another one immediately. Okay, so to solve this question, the question is 8 divided by 2 bracket 3 plus 1. Okay, now to solve this question, we use board mass. Some people call it board mass and some call it PEMDAS. Okay, PEMDAS. All right, B stands for bracket, O stands for order, D for division, multiplication, but these are on the same level. You apply which one that comes first from left to right. Addition and subtraction are on the same level. You apply the one that comes first from left to right. The same thing here, parenthesis, exponents. Multiplication and division, you apply the one that comes first, and addition and subtraction, you apply the one that comes first. Okay, so here we're going to start from the parenthesis and bracket. So we have 8 divided by 2 bracket 3 plus 1 is 4. All right, then what's next? We start from division because this is multiplication. We have 8 divided by 2 will give us 4, and 4 bracket 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. All right, so Ved is correct, Dash is correct, and Jaributen is correct. Please, if I don't call your name correctly, bear with me. So I'm giving clap to Vedit, Dash, and Jaributen. Thank you. Solve this correctly. Okay, So we'll go to the next question. Please, if you're joining us, help us subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share this live section so that we can get more people to join us. So the second question states that you're giving 7 whole number. Okay, 7 raised to the power x square minus 4 is equal to 1. X is equal to what? So solve this and drop your answer. All right. Hi, CLMA, you're welcome. So please, this is the next question. Question number 2. Solve this question. We are given 7 raised to the power x squared minus 4 equal to 1, and we are asked to solve for x. So solve for x. Let's see your answer. All right. Solve for x. Let's see your answer. So this is 7 raised to the power x squared minus 4. Okay, let me write this out for you so you see how it is. It's x squared minus 4. That is what we have here. This is what we have there. So please solve, drop your answer. Let's mark it, and please feel free to share this live section so that more people can join us. All right. So we're waiting for the first person to answer this question correctly. So the thing is, you are expected to solve it in less than 10 seconds. Okay, so we have our first answer. Our first answer is here from Jerry Booten. Jared Ben, okay. So he said, you said 2. All right. So the first person says 2. 2. So we're waiting for more answers, please. Before we can solve, if we can get 5 answers before we solve, is beautiful. Okay, it's Math Challenge with Dr. Vivian. Please, if you're seeing us for the first time, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this live section for us. Join in the competition. It's going to be lovely. You like it. Okay, so we're going to solve 20 questions. This class is estimated to end by 3 p.m. in my time, in Nigerian time, and the time now is 1:30, 1:41 p.m. So the class will end in 1 minute, 1 hour plus. All right, so more answers. Okay, no more answers. Let me solve this. So we'll drop another question immediately. Okay, so this one, to solve it, we have 7 raised to the power x squared minus 4 equal to 1. So this question is from exponential equation. Okay, now we should know that 1 here is equal to 7 raised to the power 0, because any number raised to the power 0 is that number. Okay, so we have 7x squared minus 4 equal to 7 raised to the power 0. We are trying to make them have the same base. Okay, so 7 raised to the power 0 is 1. All right, so we can write it as this. Now, since the base are the same, we equate their powers. We have x squared minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, now we are going to solve this using the difference of 2 squares. So this is a quadratic equation. All right, we are going to solve it using difference of 2 squares. Okay, 2 square. Now we said it's a quadratic equation because quadratic equation is any equation with the highest power of 2. So this is of power 2, so it's a quadratic, and know that quadratic must have 2 solutions. Okay, so here difference of 2 squares tells that x minus y, x squared minus y squared is equals to x plus y, okay, bracket x minus y. And in this equation, our x here is x and our y here is 4. So 4, we need to put it in power of 2, and we know that 2 square is equals to 4. So we can write it as x square minus 2 square is equal to 0. We've succeeded in putting it in this form. So our y here is 2. Okay. So what do we do next? We apply this to this equation. Okay, and this will be equal to x is x plus our y here is 2. Okay, bracket x is x and our y here is minus 2. And remember, it's equal to 0. So equate it to 0. Now, this simply means that when you have two parentheses multiplying itself and is equal to 0, it means that either of them is 0. Okay? So write that x plus 2 is equal to 0, or let me zoom it up a little, or x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay? Now, from the first one, x is equal to, when this plus 2 crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus 2. Okay? Or x equal to, when this negative sign crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus 2. All right? So therefore, our answer is x is equal to, okay, sorry, when this plus crosses, it becomes plus 2. So our answer is x is equal to minus 2 or plus 2. And this is the answer. Okay? So Jaributan, you said 2. Yeah, this is 2 is one solution to it, but it's two, it's a quadratic equation and it must have two solutions. So you either apply this method, or you can even solve it like this. We have x squared minus 4 equal to 0. X squared is equal to, when this minus 4 crosses the equality sign, it becomes plus 4. Now, to get rid of this x squared, you take square root of both sides. All right. Now, taking square root of this side, we introduce plus or minus. Okay, and we have this will cancel the square root, and we have x equals to plus or minus 2, and that is still the answer. Okay, that is the shortest way to solve it. I have to use this method so that you see why we have two answers. It's a quadratic equation. Okay, so thank you, Jari Tuben, for solving. I appreciate you a lot. Okay, so you've seen the correct answer. We solve the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3. All right. So question number 3 states that solve 3 times 3 plus 3 divided by 3 minus 3 factorial is equal to what? All right, let me bring it down so you see it. We have 3 multiplied by 3 plus 3 divided by 3 minus 3 factorial is equal to what? So please solve this. Let's see your answer. Thank you, my dear. Thank you for solving. I appreciate you. So go to the next question. Please solve. If you're joining us for the first time, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this live section so that we can get more beautiful people here with us. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you a lot. Okay. So please, we are waiting for answers. All right, solve, drop your answer. Then I solve and we keep moving. So please, we're waiting for the first person to solve. Solve, drop your answer. Let me see and I'll solve. Like, it's the how we do it is you're going to solve. If 5 persons drop their answer first, we drop 5, we write 5 names, and we now call other names out. Okay, please, it's for everybody. I have 55 persons here watching. Please, all of you should participate. Just solve and drop your answer. All right, Shreya. All right, please bear with me if I don't call the name while. All right, 6. Good one. So who is next? Who is next? Who is next? The clock is ticking out. All right. So please solve. Let's see. All right. So we need more answers. We need more answers. Okay. So this is called 3 factorial. All right. 3 factorial. So if you've not come across 3 factorial before, let me just tell you 3 factorials is equal to 6. 3 factorial is equal to 3 times 2 times 1. I'm just saying it because of it's a university maths. Some people may not know because it's not a secondary school maths. So please, that is 6. Then you can solve now. I'm waiting for your answers. Okay, game word minus 21. Okay, game word minus 21, and Viv 344. Okay, so please, more answers. We need 2 more, then we solve. We have 49 persons. Please help us solve. Let's see. The math question is for everybody. It's not for a particular set of people. It's for all of us. Okay, so please feel free to solve and drop your answer. All right. Okay. Jerry to Ben. All right, 4. Okay, so we need more answers. If we can get one more, we solve immediately. Please, we'll solve. I think I will show you what factorial is from solving this, then I will keep solving. Okay, now let me solve this. We are giving, you see, reduce your voice. We are giving 3 times 3 plus 3 divided by 3. Okay, someone answered again. Let me take the person's question answered. So the person said, if it's factorial, then answer is 4. Yes, it's factorial. Eloid 4. Okay, so this is the question. I'll just solve it. Now, when you're giving this, let me solve the question, then we'll go back to the answers. You're giving 3x, 3 multiplied by 3 plus 3 divided by 3 minus 3 factorial. Okay, and we're going to solve it using board mass or PEMDAS. All right, PEMDAS. I've explained this before. This is brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. And I told you that these two are on the same level. You apply the one that comes first from left to right. And these are on the same level. You apply the one that comes first from left to right. Okay, so here multiplication came first. We'll start from here. We have 3 times 3 is 9. All right, plus we write everything as it is so that we know how we're applying it. Minus 3 factorial. And the next one is order. This falls under order. Okay, and this is 3 factorial. 3 factorial is equal to 3 times 2 times 1. Now, whenever you're giving factorial, if you're asked to solve 8 factorial, you multiply from 8 downwards to 1. You multiply 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 and 3 times 2 times 1. All right, that is, you multiply from the number given downwards to get 0. That is what factorial means. So here we solve factorial first. So 3 factorial is 3 times 2 times 1, and that is 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. So that is 6. Now we will have 9 plus 3 divided by 3 minus 6. 3 factorial is equal to 6. Then this is equal to the next thing we divide. So we have 9 plus 3 divided by 3 is 1 minus 6. Okay, and the next thing we'll add. 9 plus 1 is 10, and 10 minus 6 is 4. So the answer to this question is 4. All right, so let's go to those who solved the question. All right, Shreya, you said 6. So 6 is not correct. Gainward, you said minus 21, but you later said that 4 is the right answer. Okay, so Viv, you said 344, and that is not correct. So Jari to Ben, I'm giving the clap to you. You got it right. And Lloyd, you got it clap. And to others who supported this particular question. Lloyd, you later changed. You wrote 1, you wrote 1, you wrote 6, but initially you got the answer for correct. So the answer is 4. All right. So go to the next question. Question number 4. So please feel free to share this live class. Help us share the live section so that more people can join us and learn. Okay. So this one is going to be simple. We do 4 times 5 divided by 4 times 5 is equal to what? All right. 4 multiplied by 5 divided by 4 multiplied by 5 is equal to what? Please, if you're joining us for, sorry, I got the factorial wrong, but your answer is correct. Anyway, that's, I would, okay. It will not be easy for you to type it, so it doesn't matter. No problem. You've seen how the factorial is done, okay? That is the importance of it. You've seen how it is done. Even at that, your answer was correct. All right. So you've seen how the best way to solve it so that you don't make further mistakes. Okay. Now solve this. Please drop your answer. Kindly help us share this live section. Okay. Share to as many people as possible so that they will join us and learn. So solve this. Let's see. Please, when solving, let's be fast about numbers because we have 20 questions to solve and we're just at number 4 and 20 minutes is already gone. All right. Please help us like this live section, like the live section. Okay. Help us hit the like this live section, please. Okay. So we have the first answer, 20. Isama, give me my pen. Give me my pen now. So the first answer is Shreya. 20. So who is answering next? Who is next? So more answers. The first answer says 20. The next answer. Okay. One. All right. So more answers, please, more answers. Help us share this live section. All right, please help us like this live section. That is the best thing you can do for us. Like the live section so that we can be distributed more. Ari, Fia, 25. Okay, I've taken note of 25. Please do well to like this live section. At least you have 60. Okay. We have, please don't mind if I take Kekana. I think that would be easy for me to pronounce. 1. All right. So more answers. Thank you for liking the live section. Please do well to like the live section for us. It's very, very important. Okay. Do well to like the live section for us, please. Okay, so we've gotten 4 answers. Let me quickly solve it. All right. So the question says, we are given 4 times 5 divided by 4 multiplied by 5. So this is our question and we are going to solve it. Now remember, when do you apply BODMAS and PEMDAS? Okay. Please, when solving, be always conscious to use the order of operation. Now, how do you know when you apply this? Whenever you're given an equation, I have multiplication and division there. Okay. Even if you have variables, the variables must be the same. If the variables are not the same, all right, you can't apply. Let me show what I mean if the variables are the same. You are given, this one is to show you something. So ignore it. Let me write it so you don't get confused. When you're given 4x plus 5x divided by 3x minus 2x. You see, x is everywhere. X is the variable. So it's the same x. If you have x and y and s, you can't apply BODMAS here. But one is the same variable, you can apply it. So that is by the way. All right. I just want to show you what a variable is. Okay. So we now solve what we are solving. So whenever you have division and multiplication in a number without variables are alphabets like A, B, X, Y, Z, and all that. You apply BODMAS. Okay. These are on the same level. Whichever that comes first, you apply. So here, multiplication came first. So we multiply first. Okay. 4 times 5 will give us 20 divided by, we write down every other thing to be on the safe side. Okay. The next thing we'll solve here. 20 divided by 4 will give us 5. We write our multiplied by 5. and this is equal to 25. All right. So the answer to this question is 25. So that is how you solve it. All right. So we go to the answer, and the first person that got it right is Arifia. So Arifia, cheers to you. You solved this correctly. So to others who solved, hope you've seen the right way to do it. Okay. So please, let's avoid making mistakes. Please, I appreciate you guys. Don't be discouraged. We are learning. Okay. We are learning. Please don't be discouraged. Don't be like you not get to not say again. Please keep answering. I appreciate your presence. Hi, Peters. How are you? Don't hi, Blinette Peters. Hi, how are you? Okay. So we solve, please. One is the answer. One can only be answer if this was in parentheses, if it was in brackets. Okay, you know one can be the answer, but one is not the answer. We apply board mass. All right. So that is how you solve it. Okay. If we are given 4 multiplied by 5 in brackets divided by 4 multiplied by 5 in brackets, all right, when you had this situation, that is only way one can be the answer. But if it's not in this form, if it's like this, you apply board mass. Okay, if it's on this one, you apply board mass. Once it's like this, you can't this one is where you get 1. All right, see the difference and know it. Okay, so we good. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Yes. 5 times 5. Look at 5. 5 times 5 is 25. All right. That is great. Okay. So feel free to please help us like the live section. It's important you like the live section so that we can get more people to watch with us. All right. So we go to the next question. We are given 5 whole number 1 over 5 multiplied by 10. That is question number 5. 5 whole number 1 over 5 multiplied by 10 is equal to what? All right. Please solve this. Drop your answer. Please, let's be fast. Let's be fast. Please, let's work with time. Let's be fast. We have 92 persons watching live and now 106. Please help us to like the live section. All right. We appreciate you for that. Okay. So you said 52. All right. Arifia 52. Okay. So more answers. Wilson 1. Broadmass and PEMDAS follow the same principle, but when it comes to the PEMDAS or DEMAS part, you only solve what appears first on the left side of the equation. Yes, that is what I did. You solve what appears first from left to right. Okay, let me draw back a little. We're saying Oroma. I'm saying that, please, I'm coming. So this is it. We apply what comes first, and here multiplication came first. So we multiply first to give us 20. Division came here, and division is second and multiplication is first. All right, so we multiply first. That is exactly what we did. All right, thank you, Dash Blaze, for the update. I appreciate that. Okay, so Wilson, we have Wilson. Wilson, you said 1, you said 10. Wilson, please give us your final answer. I changed it to 10. Okay, so Wilson says 10. All right, so who again? Now Ruto 52. Okay, Naruto 52. I've taken note of that. So please, more answers. We need at least 5 answers. We write down 5 answers. Whenever we have more than 5 answers, Jari to Ben. All right, 52. Okay, so we have 4 answers already, and this list is kind of filled up. So we are going to solve it, and I'm going to solve just by the side. When I solve it, we'll go back to the question. We have 5 whole number 1 over 5 multiplied by 10. Okay. Arifia, yes, you are the first. You are the first. All right. This is mixed fraction. Here is mixed fraction. Now, when you want to solve something like this, you convert it back to improper fraction. Okay. Now, how do you convert improper fraction? You can see we have it on our short. You can go and see how to convert from mixed fraction to improper fraction. But I'm going to show this so you see how you do it. We have 5 multiplied by 5 will give us 25. All right. 25 plus 1 is 26 all over the denominator, which is 5. Okay. times 10. 5 will cancel here, we have 2. 5 will cancel here, you have 1. So we have 26 multiplied by 2, and that is equals to 52. All right, so I'm happy many of you got this correctly. Okay, so the first person that got it correctly is Arifia. So I'm clapping for Arifia first. So cheers to you, you got it correct. And Naruto and Jaribu to Ben. So well done, guys. You guys are doing amazingly well. We in Sweden don't use the same sign for division. Oh, okay. Okay. So can you tell me your sign? Let me see, so that maybe I can write the question into 2 places. Drop the sign. Let me see. Please give me the sign of division in Sweden. Let me see. Let me write it down. So whenever I want to do division, I'll now put the question to be 2. So please, I'm waiting for you to help me with the sign of division in Sweden. Okay, so that I can use it. Thank you so much, we're saying. So we'll go to the next question, and that is question number 6. So on the question number 6, okay, let me give something simple. All right, let me give something that is a little simple. We have 80 divided by 1 over 10 times 1 over 4. All right, this is equal to what? This is a simple math question. I have a simple. We're saying thanks for that. Okay, // 4/. Okay. Yes. All right. // All right. So, okay. But please, this one, I'm sure you can manage this one for today. Just manage this particular one. Let me rewrite it up. Here we use that too. We use either / or we use this division sign. Please. Okay. Are you okay? You're the first person to answer this question. Okay, Arifia. Okay. 200. Noted. All right. So more answers, please. More answers. If you're joining us for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and click on the notification button so that you know when we are live and when we post. We post on daily basis. All right. We post on daily basis. So Jerry to Ben. We post on daily basis, and please help us to like this live section. All right. We have Xavier Messias. We have 2 over 40. Okay. So we need more answers. All right. So we have 3. We need 2 more. Please solve and drop your answer. Let's see. All right. So please, we have 100 persons watching. Please give us 100 likes. Okay. Give us 100 likes. All right. We have Rene Askes 32000. Okay. And we have Wilson. You're 9 years old. Are you serious? That's amazing. Wilson says 1 over 3200. Okay. Wow. Okay. We have Shreya. All right. Okay. To 40. Okay, so let me solve it. We have 80 divided by 1 over 10 times 1 over 4. All right, so this was the given question. So I'm going to solve it here. Now, I want to show you something in mathematics. Okay, when you're asked to divide a number, you can switch it to multiplication. I agree this is better than Netflix. Oh, thank you. All right, I appreciate that. Now, when you are given a question like this, you have 80 divided by 10, okay? You write 80, you multiply. Now, when you introduce a multiplication sign, you flip the fraction. You flip the fraction, okay? This 10 will go up and 1 will come down, and we have 10 over 1. We write our multiplication 1 over 4, okay? Let me give you a practical example that you easily understand, all right? You are asked to divide, when you're asked to divide, you're asked to divide 10 into by 2, by half, okay? 10 divided by half, you have 10 oranges and you're asked to divide it by half. If you pick one orange, you divide it into 2. Pick another one, you divide it into 2. So this will give you, if you divide these 10 oranges into 2, if you have 10, each one will give you 2, and you multiply here and you get 20, right? If you do this, you get 20, right? Now let me take it down. You can simply just do 10, multiply, you flip, this will go up, this will come down, and that is 2 over 1. You know 2 over 1 is 2. So 10 times 2 will give you 20. Okay? I'm just doing this so that you understand how this is possible. Then what you do next is 80 times 10 will give you 800. Multiply by 1 over 4. 4 will divide here to give you 1. 4 will divide here to give you 2. You write 0, 0. That is 200. So the answer to this question is 200. Okay? So please, if you have any question, you can. Oh, wow, amazing. Nice to know. Okay? I'm glad when I see my fellow math lovers. Yeah. Afria says 200, Jaribu 10, 200. And only 2 of them got it right. All right, so let me give them a round of applause, okay? So Afria, this is for you. And Jaribu 10, this is for you. So thank you for solving it correctly. And to every other person that have solved, okay, you've seen the answer. So please, when you feel, if you think there's anywhere you need me to explain better for you, you ask questions so that I can explain to you. That is why I'm here. You know, the aim of this is to do challenges so that if you make a mistake, you will see it and know how to solve it right. If you feel there's any way you need explanation, please draw my attention and I'll explain to you how it's like that. Okay? So that we'll be on the same page. Now, let's solve this question. We are given 3x plus 5 is equal to 3x plus 5 is equal to 20. Okay. Find x. Find x. So you're given this question, you're asked to find x. Please find s. Of course, Wilson, please try this. I'm sure you get this. Okay, this is easy. This is algebra. This is a linear equation. So to get the answer is easy. It's easier than other ones. Please solve this. Solve this. Let's see. Okay. Wow, Freya, you say 5. Okay. 5. Jari Buten. Jari to Ben. Okay, 5. Wilson. Wilson, 5. We need more answers. More answers, more answers, more answers. So let me clean my camera screen small. All right. So I clean it from time to time so that it will be clear. So more answers. We have 3 already. We have 3 already. Okay, so let me solve this. Then the solution. We are given 3x plus 5 equal to 20. Okay. Now, this is a linear equation from algebra, okay? Then when you are given a question like this and you're asked to find x, it simply means make x the subject formula. That is it. You are going to find a way to make x stand on its own. That is the aim. Then what do? We have 3x. We now move this 5 across the equal sign, and we have 20. When plus 5 crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus 5. Okay, I have 3x is equal to 20 minus 5 is 15. Divide here by 3, divide by 3. 3 will cancel, and we have x is equal to 15 divided by 3 will give us 5. And that is the answer. Okay, so I'm so happy that everybody got it right. All right, so to Afria, you're the first to get it correct. Jarit Sven, you're the second. And Wilson, you're the third. So cheers to you guys. You guys are doing amazingly well. I appreciate that. Okay, so this is question number 7. So let's go to question number 8. All right. Then question number 8. I don't know what I should give puzzle. All right, let me give simple algebra question. Okay, we have A. This is a kind of math reasoning. A plus A is equal to 10. All right, A plus A is 10, is reasoning. Okay, then A plus B is equal to 8. All right, A plus B times A is equal to what? All right, so this is math reasoning. Yeah, whether you got it right, the answer is 5. So please, someone should solve this. Let's see. Please, when solving this, we work with time. Okay, is that the answer to this question? Whether you say 5, 4, 3. So 5, 4, 3 is from where? I don't understand. Please throw more light so I understand where 5, 4, 3 is coming from. Please, if you have not shared this live section, help us share the live section. And please help us to like this live section. Okay. All right. Help us like this live section. We have 60 persons here. If 60 of you can like the live session, we have 60 likes. I appreciate it. Okay. Wilson, 40. Okay. Okay, you're kidding. Whether you are an exam, we are doing something serious and you're kidding. Eh? Oh, sorry. Ari, Shia. Please, it's good we joke sometimes, but we are serious somehow. Shreya, 40. Please, let's not block him, okay? We need him here. Let's not block him. He's a playful person. Okay, that's amazing. Wow, that's great. Okay. So why not join us in the challenge today? Instead of playing, let's be serious and work today. So please, solve. Share this live section, please. If you've not done that, please help us share the live section and help us. The thank you we want for this class today is just a like the live section. That is all. Jerry to Ben. Okay, 20. We have 40, 20, 40, 20. All right. Any more answers? Okay, let me quickly solve this. I'm going to bring a new paper just from somewhere to solve this so that, because if I have to solve it, I have to turn to the next page. All right, let me just do that. Doesn't matter. So we are solving this question. Let me bring it closer so you see what we are solving. So this is what we are solving. Let me bring it closer to this one. We are told that A plus A is 5. So now we are going to start from here. Let me write the question so that we go to the next page after I bring back this one for answer. A plus B times A is equal to what? So that is the question. Fine. So let me solve this question for you now. So I told that a plus a is equal to 10. Now, solving it, a plus a is equal to 2a. And 2a, they say, is equal to 10. Divide here by 2, divide here by 2. 2 will cancel, and we have a is equal to 10 divided by 2 is 5. You see, our a is 5. Okay? And we are told that a plus b is 8. Now, our a is 5. 5 plus b is 8. Okay? So our b will be equals to 8. When this plus 5 crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus 5. So our b is equal to 8 minus 5 is 3. So our b is 3. All right? That is a, that is b. And we are asked to solve a plus b times a. Okay? Now, a is 5 plus b is 3 times a, which is 5, is equal to what? Now, we have multiplication, we have addition. Remember, you apply board mass. Okay? You apply board mass. So we will start from here. So we have 5 plus 3 times 5 is 15. 5 plus 15, and that is 20. So the correct answer to this question is 20. All right? So that is it. All right, so that is the answer. So go to the answers. So Wilson says 14, and 14 is not right. And 14 is not right because Wilson, you did not apply the BODMAS rule. You just added before multiplying. That is why you have 40. If you have multiplied before adding, you would have gotten 20. All right, so that's what same thing happened to Shreya. So now we have the correct answer goes to Afriya and Jared to Ben. So well done. Cheers to the both of you. So please, next time you multiply before adding, okay? All right, so always have that order of operation in mind, which we know that you will be doing excellently well. So we are solving question number 9. All right. So our question number 9, I'm going to do should I do math reasoning or I should just keep solving? Okay, let's solve ordinary maths. On a good day, we'll do math reasoning. Let me just do simple math that we may have x over 10 is equal to 10 over x. And we are asked to find, and we are told that x is equal to what? So find x. So this one, let's solve this. So please solve this, solve this, solve this. Let's see your answer. We are told that x over 10 is equal to 10 over x. Then you're asked to find x. This question, solve it carefully. Jari to Ben. Solve it very carefully. And you said 10, okay? So more answers, please. More answers, more answers, more answers. Please help us share the live section if you have not shared it, okay? And please help us like the live section. We need more people to participate. We have 54 persons here, please. Okay, 65. Please help us participate. All right, participate because I'm solving, okay? Whether Mamdu had it's easy 10, okay? Whether is 10. You know, before I answer this question, I'm going to ask you people one thing. And I want you to be looking at it now as I'm asking you so that you now tell me. You're going to show me, you're going to tell me how you got the answer. Jerry to Ben, you say 100, all right? You're going to show me what did you do to arrive at your answer. Now, when you're giving this question, what is the first thing to do to arrive at your answer? Emmanuel, Jerry to Ben, I've written your own. Okay, Emmanuel says 10. So tell me, I want you to tell me, what did you do to get 10? What was the first approach what did you do to these numbers to give you 10? I just want to know, like, did you subtract? Did you add? Did you cross multiply? Did you divide? What did you do to give me 10? Tell me in the comment section as you're answering this question. Let me be checking what everybody did. Okay. You cross multiply and you squared both sides to get 10. All right. Okay. Yes, whether that is okay. You cross multiplied. So what I'm asking, so that when I do the answer, you don't sound strange. I cross multiplied. Okay. We're saying fine. Okay. So let me solve it. We have 10x over 10 equal to 10 over x. Okay, so this is what we have. I'm going to solve it. And the solution is you cross multiply. If you cross multiply, x times x is give us 10, sorry, we have x square is equal to 100. I've said it again before, I'm saying it again. Whenever you have x square, the first thing that should come to your mind is quadratic equation. Whenever you have any number and the highest power is x square, it is a quadratic equation. Okay. Now, as a quadratic equation, you're going to rearrange it. A quadratic equation have order of, this is the basic form of a quadratic equation: a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now, first thing you're going to do whenever you have something is to move this 100 into this place so that you get 0, we get 0 here. And we have x square. When this plus crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus 100. Okay, is equal to 0. Now, are you seeing something here? What you're seeing here is that this 100 is equal to 10 square. Okay, so have x square minus 100 is 10 square is equal to 0. Then what do you apply here? When you have something like this, you apply, you see? Next thing you do, you apply a difference of two squares. Fast. So you apply the difference of two square. That is the first thing you do. Okay. Now here our x is x and our y is 10. So this implies that this equation will now give us here x plus 10 is, our x is x and our y is 10. X plus 10. You open another bracket. You have x minus y. Our x is x and our y is 10 minus 10. And remember, it's equal to 0. Okay. So have you seen it? The next thing is that x, the first bracket, you equate it to 0. And the second bracket, you equate it to 0. Then when x, write x from the first one. When this plus 10 crosses the equality sign, becomes minus 10. X, when this minus 10 crosses the equality sign, becomes plus 10. Okay. So therefore, our x is equal to plus or minus 10. And that is the answer. Huh? Have you seen it? That is how to solve this question. Okay. That is the best approach to solve this question. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I've taken some water. All right. So please, I will appreciate if at the end of this class today, I have 120 likes. I'm having 120 persons. If everybody click the like button now, I will automatically have 120 likes. Please do me that favor of clicking the like button so that I can get 120 likes. So please, I appreciate that. Thank you for those who are liking. Please help me like this live section. It matters a lot to me. All right. So let's do another one. So let's do this simple one. We have square root of 100 plus square root of 36 all over square root of 16. Now, all these things are inside the bigger square root and is equal to what? So this is question number what? Question number 10. Gosh, we are halfway. We have more questions. So thank you to those who are solving, are liking. I appreciate it. At least we move to 17. Please let the like reach 20. Okay, so where that says 2. 2. Okay, so please more answers. More answers, more answers, more answers. Jari to Ben. 2. Is it the previous one? If it's here, there's no winner. The answer is plus or minus. The answer is plus or minus 10, and everybody here got plus 10 and 100. So there's no winner there. So I'm the winner here. The answer is plus or minus 10, please. So there's no winner in the past question. I am the winner. That is why I asked you come and beat me in this mass. Yash 2. Okay. So please let's look for a winner here. I'm sure everybody will win here. Everybody will win here. So more answers, more answers. I thought I saw 17 likes before, and now it's reduced to 16. Did anybody unlike? Please don't unlike, okay? So next question is already here. Okay, I should solve the next question. All right, so let me solve this so that I'll go to the next question. Very important. So let's solve. All right, let's solve for those who want to know the correct answer. We have bigger square root of 100 plus square root of 36 all over square root of 16. Okay, now take the bigger square root. Square root of 100 is 10 plus square root of 36 is 6 all over square root of 16 is 4. Okay, so this is equal to, let me write this by the side here. 10 plus 6 is 16 all over 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4, and this is equal to 2. All right, now to the answer. Whether you got it correct, I'll just call your name. Jari to Ben, Yash, and Wilson. So you guys are doing excellently well. I love that. So the winner of this one is Wida or Weda. Okay, I'm sorry if I call it wrongly. Bear with me. So we go to the next question. Question number 11. So question number 11 says, you're giving square root of 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 is equal to what? So solve this, drop your answer. Yeah, baby. All right, I'm grateful. I'm happy I called it right. Okay, so Wida say 10. Okay, 10. Jerry to Ben. 10. So more answers, please. I love this. The fastness matters. Please, let's be fast about it. Because sometimes I feel when you're learning maths or any subject, you should also learn to work with time. Be fast about it. Okay? Yash, 10. So Okay. Yes, yeah, she's correct. Okay. There will be a delay. Okay, let me solve it quickly. All right. Like he has said, that is just the solution. 25 plus 25 is 50. 50 plus 25 is 75. 75 plus 25 is 100. You have square root of 100, and that is equal to 10. So that is the answer. Okay. Stanley. Stanley say 4.725. Stanley, what you do is you add everything here. 25 plus 25 is 50 plus 25, 75 plus 25 is 100. You just take square root of 100 and you arrive at 10. So with that, you're correct. Jerry to Ben and Yash. Cheers to all of you guys, did amazingly well. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Question number 11 and 12. So we just solved 11. Question number 12. Question number 12. And question number 12 is you're given x plus y is equal to 200. X minus y is equal to 100. Then x over y is equal to what? So solve this. Solve this. Drop your answer. All right, Stanley. Okay. You're giving x plus y equals to 200. X minus y equals to 100. X over y is what? All right. Solve it and drop your answer, please. Please, if you've not shared this our live section, help us to share the live section. And if this is your first time of seeing us, kindly subscribe to our channel. Okay. We do live classes 2 times every week. Live classes, that is classes, not challenges. We do classes every Tuesday and Thursday by 12 noon, Nigerian time, West African time. Wood flow, wood pipes. You say, what is this nonsense? This is not nonsense. This is a math challenge, okay? This is a math challenge. And this question is from simultaneous equation, all right? So please, this is not nonsense. These people are here to learn, all right? Is it that you want to learn or you don't want to learn? In case you don't want to learn, it's okay. You can just go and face other things. Please, this is not nonsense. This is a math class. It's a math challenge, all right? Okay. Okay. So Yash says 3. With that 3. Okay. So more answers, please. Thank you to those who are liking. Please, we have 62 persons. Now 82. Please help us like the like section. I want us to get this like section to at least 50. Let 50 people like this live section. All right. I will appreciate that. Just hit the like button. Okay. Subscribe to our channel for more math classes. So like I was saying, we do math classes 2 times every week, every Thursdays and Tuesdays, 12 noon Nigerian time. Okay. 12 noon Nigerian time. All right. 12 noon Nigerian time. Or if you're not watching from Africa, then it's West African time. West African time. Or to be on a safer side, please hit our notification button so you get notified whenever we come live. Okay. Okay. So you settled it, right? So let me solve this. Only 2 persons solved this. This is easy. This is a simultaneous equation. Okay. Now see how you solve it. You're giving x plus y equals to 20 and x minus y equals to 20. Now look here, we have plus y and minus y. If we add this together, it will be off. It will be 0. Now what do? We add the 2 equations. Okay. So Stanley says 3. Stanley 3. X plus X is 2X. This will cancel. This plus this will give you 300. Divided by 2. Divided by 2. 300 divided by 2 give us 150. And this is our X. Okay? Now to solve our Y, we'll pick one of these equations. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. We've solved for our X. Now we'll pick one of these equations and substitute. And whether you use this or you use this one, you still arrive at the same answer. Okay? So pick the second one. We have X minus Y equals to 100. Our X is 150. So we have 150 minus Y equal to 100. Okay? Then Y, we have minus Y there, is equal to 100. When this 150, that's plus 150 crosses the equality sign, becomes minus 150. Okay? Then this is minus Y. Now 100 minus 150, we are subtracting bigger number from smaller number. We have minus 50. Okay? Now to take away this negative here, we divide by minus 1 just to remove this negative. This minus will cancel and have Y. This minus will cancel and have 50. So our X is 100 and 150, and our Y is 150. Okay? So the question says X over Y is equal to what? X over Y is equal to 150 all over 50 equal to 3. All right? So, anybody that wrote 3, check everybody that wrote 3 is correct. So let's go to those who answered. So Yash says 3. So Yash, you're correct. And Wida, you're correct. And Stanley, you are correct. So thank you so much. All right. So go to the question number 13. Question number 13. Okay. So let's do one math reasoning. Okay. It's math reasoning and it's beautiful. You like it. Where you have to think out the answer. You have to think. All right. If we give you, you have to think and tell us why your answer is correct. You don't need to tell us why. Just solve. Let me see your answer. Okay. Solve and let me see your answer. So we have 3 is equal to 6. We have 3 into 3 places is equal to. Hello? So sorry for that. A call came in and cut off the class. Sorry. So we have 3 into 6. Let me zoom it so that you'll be seeing it. So what if one wrote 150 over 50? Is it correct? Yes, the person is correct. But it's better when you simplify the answer to the possible correct one. The person is correct. Yes, but you have to get the final value. Yes, it's better when you divide it to the later. But even if you do it like that, you're still very correct. Okay. So have 3, 6, 3, 3, 3, 9, 3, 3, 3. We have 12. So tell me what 3 into 5 places is. This is math reasoning. All right. This is reasoning. It's math reasoning. Just tell me from your own understanding, how do we get 6? How do we get 9? How do we get 12? Use it and solve this. Let's see your answer. Okay. So please help us share the live session. If this is your first time of seeing us, kindly subscribe to our channel. So Yash says 15. So more answers, please. I have to zoom it so that we see it clearly. 15 because it's the pattern. Okay, with that says 15. So you need more answers. More answers as I'm looking for the second question. More answers, more answers, more answers. Okay, so we have 7 more questions to go. More answers. Okay, I should do more of calculation question. Just multiply or find the difference. Okay, 15. All right, Stanley says 15. Stanley, 15. Okay, so let me just solve it. All right, it's easy. Now you have 3. You pick just one number there, and that is 3. How many 3s do we have here? 1, 2. We do 3 times 2, and that is 6. Okay, 3 times 2 is 6. Now we pick 3. 3 times, we count 1, 2, 3 times 3, and that is 9. We pick 3. 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4 is 4, 12. So the same thing, pick 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 times 5, and that is 15. 3 times 5, sorry, and that is 15. So you guys are all correct. So Yash got it correctly first. Then Wida and Stanley. So cheers to you guys. Let me do more of calculation like you rightly said. Let me ask you just simple question. I'm sure you're going to get this one very correctly. So question number 4. We have 2 raised to power x is equal to 32. X is equal to what? So solve this, drop your answer. 2 raised to power x is equal to 32. X is equal to what? Drop your answer. Please help us share this live section so we can meet more people. And if this is your first time of joining our channel, kindly help us subscribe to our channel and do us the favor of appreciating us by liking this live section. All right, thank you. Wida 5. Bognout TV. Please, if I don't call well, bear with me. 16. Yash 5. Okay, please. More comments, more reaction, more like, more subscribers. I appreciate that a lot. Okay. So let me quickly solve that so that, because time is already ticking out and we still have so many questions to solve. Okay, so we have 2 raised to power x equal to 3 raised to power 32. Now what do we do? What you do in this question is we are given 2. This is from exponential equation. Okay, this math is from exponential equation. Exponential from exponentials. All right, you can call it exponential equation. This is an exponential equation. So we are given 2 raised to power x is equal to 32. We try to find a way to make this 32 have the same base of 2. So the question is, how many numbers of 2? How many times will we multiply 2 to give us 32? We do 2 times 2 is 4. We multiply it again by 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is into 5 places. So this is 2 to power x. Then 32 is 2 to power 5. All right. The base are the same. We equate their power. So x is equal to 5. And that is our answer. X is equal to 5. All right. That is how simple it is to solve it. You're going to look for, if you have base of 2, you find how many multiplications of 2 will you do to get 32. And we did it 5 places. All right. There's still one more here to get 32. And that is how you do it. Okay. That is the best way to do it. So cheers to the first person that got it right. So Wida, Bognow, your answer is not right. So I'm sure you've seen how you do it. Okay. So Yash. So cheers to you guys. You guys did extremely well. So go to question number 15. So please, I appreciate it if you guys can share this live section and help us. Okay, 15. Sorry. Share the live section and help us like this class. Like this live class. All right. So let me set another question. We have 8 divided by 1 over 2, okay, bracket 1 over 2 divided by 8 is equal to what? 8 divided by half, all over half divided by 8 is equal to what? Please solve. Let's see your answer. This is from fraction. It's a kind of a basic math. All right. So let's see. Try. If you think it's difficult, give it a trial. You may be surprised that it's very easy. You may be surprised at how easy this question is. Try. Let's see. Even if you don't give me the final answer, give me something close to the final answer, and I'll see what I can do with it. So if I wait for like some seconds and okay, Yash is so Yash. I was thinking it's too difficult. 2, 5, 6. Okay. So please more answers. Joe De Carvalho. Joe, you're welcome. Please help us share this live section. If not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to our channel and please hit the like button so that whenever we go live, you'll be notified. And feel free to watch videos. We post videos on daily basis, mostly shorts, and we do some videos from time to time. Feel free to subscribe to our channel and go and watch our videos at your free time. You're welcome, Joe. All right. So please feel free to watch 1 or 2 things from our wall at your free time. Okay. So Yash solved. So let me solve this one. Now you're giving 8 divided by half. I've done something like that before. Let me solve it by the side here. Okay. 8 divided by half. Okay. Stanley says Stanley. Okay. 2, 5, 6. Now, when you have 8 divided by half, like I told you, just write 8, put multiplication side, flip the fraction, okay? We have 2 over 1, and that is 2 all over. We write half, we put multiplication sign, we flip again. Now, remember, 8 is equal to 8 over 1 because 8 over 1 is still 8, okay? So you flip it, and this will come down, and we have 1 over 8. So this is equal to 8 times 2 is 16 all over. 1 times 1 will give us 1 all over. 2 times 8 will give us 16. Now, this can be written as 16 divided by 1 over 8, 1 over 16. That is what it is. We do the same thing again. We write 16, put division side, flip again. 16 will come up, 1 will go down, and we have 16, sorry, we multiply and flip. We have 16 over 1, which is 16. So 16 square is 256. And that is the answer to the question. Okay? So that is the solution to the question. If you have questions, feel free to ask your questions. Let me leave it here so you'll be seeing it. And so it's a must stop that. And the person that answered correctly is Yash. So Yash, cheers to you, and Stanley, cheers to you. So great job, guys. You guys are doing excellently well. Okay, so that is on question number 15. So go to question number 16. Please feel free, if you have question, you can ask your question. And please, if you're here and you're not participating, please do us the honor of participating. It's for everybody. It's not for a particular set of people. This math challenge is for everybody. As far as you know you can solve it, please drop your answer. And please help us to like the like section. Subscribe to our YouTube channel if you've not done that. Be kind to hit the notification button so that whenever we come live, you will know. Okay, you'll be notified so that you don't miss our challenges or our classics. Okay. So solve this. So please help us hit the like button. Take it. We have 71 persons watching. So please help us hit the like button. You have 71 persons watching. Stop that, I'll beat you. We have 20 likes already. Thank you so much to all those who liked this live section. I appreciate you guys a lot. Okay, Yash, I've answered Yash. 19. Luminati. You see, stop that. Bogno. 19. Stanley. You see, stop that. Okay, I'm going to like it. Joe. Okay. 19. So more answers, please. More answers. More answers. Okay. So please, we've gotten 5 answers. Let's quickly solve this. You know, this question is one of the easiest questions you can solve. All right. Now look at this question. We have division and subtraction. Then we apply BODMAS. Or PEMDAS. Okay. Reader, may I have a question? Find x if x is raised to power. Okay, x raised to power x is equal to 2. So let's continue with this one first. We'll get to that, reader. So have BODMAS. We apply division before addition, before subtraction. So we divide first. So we start from here. Okay. All right. That is correct. 19. So we have 20 minus 20 divided by 20 will give us 1. And that is equal to 19. So everybody got it correctly. Only Stanley. Stanley, this your solution here is not correct. So we are clapping for everybody. Are you saying this question is hard, or the one you sent to me is hard? Reader, let me get where you're coming from. So we start from Yash. Yash, this is for you. Then Kraluminati, this is for you. Bugnell, this is for you. Joe, this is for you. And these are beautiful friends. Your answer is 19, but I cannot call your name. Sorry for that. So cheers to you. Your answer is correct. You said 19, and that is correct. Okay. So that is it. Now, reader, this is your question. You say, is it hard? Is it your question you're asking, or the one I'm asking? If it's your question and you want me to solve it for you, I'll solve it later, not now. Okay. I can't put it as challenge because people will not be able to solve it. It's a hard question. Okay. Now we go to question. We just solved question number 16. So we are going to solve question number 17. So on the question number 17, let me get to question. Okay, 17. So the question number 17 is going to be solve x. Okay, x plus x. Now, please, this one is multiplication. If I put x multiply again, it will be difficult for you to understand. So it's equal to 20. X is equal to what? All right. X plus s multiplied by x equal to 20. X is equal to what? Please solve. Let's see. S plus x multiplied by x is equal to 20. X is equal to what? Just try. Let's see. Please, if this is your first time of seeing us, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and feel free to like this live section and follow us for more amazing mathematics tutorial and challenges. Please turn on your notification button so that you'll get notified when we come live. Bugnell, you say 10. Okay. $10. Okay, with that, I say 20 and 19, then ash 1e, you say 4. Okay, so the question is x plus x multiplied by x equal to 20. Okay, so we need more answers, please. More answers, please, more answers. We need more answers. Okay, Minati. Okay, says 4 or minus 5. All right, so we need more answers, please. Kindly subscribe to our channel and help us hit the like button for this live class, and feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification button so that you get notified when we come live. We do math tutorials every Tuesday and Thursdays by 12 noon West African time, and we do live challenges on Wednesdays. There's no specific time for now, so every Tuesday I'll notify you whether they sorry for, because it's, if you plug 4 you get 20. Okay, so are you you're taking away this and you say 4? All right, so let me quickly solve it. Okay, we've gotten 4 answers. I think that is okay for today. So we are giving x plus x times x equal to 20. All right, whenever you're giving a question, the first thing is to simplify that question. Okay, we have x plus, now x times x will give us x squared is equal to 20. I said whenever you see x squared is a quadratic equation. Okay, so if we rearrange it now, a quadratic equation is of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now we're going to put it in this form. X squared will come first. We have x squared plus x will come second. We have x. This 20 will cross the equality sign, becomes minus 20, and this is equal to 0. Okay, so we're going to solve this using the quadratic formula. This is a quadratic equation. We're going to use quadratic formula to solve it. Quadratic equation states that x is equals to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Okay, now standard quadratic equation is of this form. This is where we get our a from. A is coefficient of x squared, and our coefficient of x squared here is a is 1. Okay, our b is coefficient of x. All right, and coefficient of x here is 1, and our c is the constant, so here is minus 20, so it's equals to minus 20. Okay, oh Michi here, carry, oh Michi here. Now we are going to substitute this a, b, c into the quadratic formula to find our final answer. So x is equal to, b is 1, we have minus b, that is minus 1, plus or minus square root of b square is 1 square, and that is 1, minus 4 multiplied by a, our a is 1, multiplied by c, our c is minus 20. Okay, all over 2a, our a is 1, 2 times 1 is 2. So this is equals to minus 1 plus or minus square root. B square is 1. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 20 is 80. So minus 4 times minus 20 is plus 80. Okay? Plus 80 all over 2 times 1 is 2. This is 1 plus or minus square root of 80 plus 1 is 81. All over 2. Okay, And this is equal to minus 1 plus or minus square root of 81 is 9 all over 2. So our x is equal to, sorry, minus 1. Minus 1. If you take the plus sign, the one up, we have plus 9 all over 2. So minus 1 plus 9 will give us 8. 8 all over 2 is 4. So the first solution here is 4. Okay. Now we continue. If we take minus 1 and take the minus 9 under all over 2, and this is equal to minus 1 minus 9 will give us minus 10 all over 2. And minus 10 divided by 2 will give us 5. Okay. Will give us minus 5. So let me clean the camera. It's becoming blurry. All right. Okay. So our x is equals to 4 or minus 5. All right. So this is the solution to our question. Okay. Let me show you. Now I have to take this long process to show you that is the answer. Now let me do a shorter process so that you see. We have x plus x times x is equal to 20. X plus x times x is x squared. Okay, equal to 20. So x squared plus x, we bring this one front and this one follow. Then this 20 crosses the equality sign, become minus 20, and this is equal to 0. Now we are going. This method I've used is quadratic formula. Then using factorization method. Really, that's now. Don't be silly. By factoring. By factoring, okay? We look for two numbers. When we add them, we get 1. When we multiply them, we get minus 20. Okay? So from 20 now, we consider 5 and 4. Okay? 5 and 4. You see, you that in a king. So we look for two numbers. This 5 and 4 is okay, but if this 5 is plus and this 4 is minus, if we add them, so we do 5 plus 5 minus 4. That's plus, we have plus 5 plus minus 4. Okay, plus minus is minus, so 4 minus 5 minus 4 will give us 1. You see, it satisfies what we have here. Now what do? We replace this x by plus 5 and minus 4. Okay, then we have x squared minus 5 plus 5x minus 4x minus 20 equal to 0. Okay, now 4x, please. We put parentheses. Why are you saying by? Okay, so please I've solved this and the answer is 4 equals to x equal to 4 or minus 4. Please, in a class section, I'll teach you how to do that. Let's go over. I forgot that we are doing competition. So question number 18, please. All right. So we have try this one. We have root 25. Okay, root 5 plus root 5 all over root 5 is equal to what? Solve this. Drop your answer. So please solve this. Let me know your answer. This is question. We have 2 more questions to go. Please be patient. Let's solve these 2 more questions. All right. Yeah. So solve. Let's see your answer. Okay. We have 2 more. This is question number 18. We have just 2 more questions to go. 2 more questions and we are good to go. Okay. Yeah, but we. So please solve this. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Solve. Let's see. Please drop your answers. Let's go. Check it. Oh, you go. So let me solve this, okay? Now, when you're giving square root of 5 plus square root of 5, all over square root of 5, okay? We do square root of 5 plus square root of 5. This here is of coefficient 1, and here 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So you have 2 root 5 all over root 5. This will cancel this, and we have the answer to be equal to 2. So the answer to this question is 2. Okay? Wait now. Okay, so the answer is 2. That is the answer to that. So nobody answered that. Cheers to Dr. Vivian. At least I tried that one. Let's do another question. Okay, we have just 2 questions to go. So question number 19. Question number 19 says, the camera is blocked again. So question number 19, we have your x minus 3 is equal to 6x plus 7. Okay, x is equal to what? So solve this. Let's know your answer. Okay, solve this. Let's know your answer. You're giving x 8x minus 3 equal to 6x plus 7, and you're asked to find x. So solve this. Let's see your answer. Okay, solve this. Drop your answer. Let's see. Solve. Drop your answer. Let's see. So if you solve this, you drop your answer. Let's see. Please, this is second to the last. After this, you answer the last question and we are good. If this is your first time of coming across our page, our channel, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell. Okay, so you get notified when we are live and when we drop new notes. Feel free to go into our channel. We post something on daily basis, especially our short. We post math tricks, math challenges. You can go there and solve 1 or 2. Okay, so if you are enjoying the class, please kindly give us thumbs up. Give us thumbs up so that we know that you are enjoying this class. Okay, we are at question number 19. 1 more question and we are good to go, and the class will be over for today. Okay, so let me solve this. Okay, somebody has solved. So Bog, no. Okay, it says 5. So please, 1 more answers or 2 and we solve. This is second to the last. After this, we solve the final question, and that will be all for today. So you join us tomorrow by 12 noon for our afternoon classes. All right. If there's need for us to come late tomorrow, we'll notify you. Please give us thumbs up. Okay. Subscribe to our channel. We appreciate it when you do that. All right. So please let me quickly solve it. Now, when you're giving this kind of question, what first you do, you collect like terms. You collect like terms. Let the x go to one side and let the constants go to one side. Okay. So we have 8x. When this 6x is plus 6x crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus 6x. We now put our equality sign. We write our 7. When this negative 3 crosses the equality sign, it becomes positive 3. Okay, we have plus 3. 8x minus 6x will give us 2x is equal to 7 plus 3 will give us 10. Divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides. Okay, 2 will cancel. We have x. 10 divided by 5 will give us 10 divided by 2 will give us 5. Okay, and the answer is 5. All right, thank you, Bogno. You answered it correctly. Okay, first to you. First to you, answer correctly. And to the last question for today, I want to appreciate you guys for today. Thank you for your support. Thank you for participating in this challenge. It's a privilege, an honor to have you guys here. I love you guys so much. All right. So look for a beautiful question. I use it and do the final one for today. I don't want anything that will be stressful. All right. So let me look for a very simple question that you can comfortably do with ease, so that the last question will be solved with less stress. Okay. So solve 8 square divided by 2 times 4. So this is equal to what? Let me zoom it more so that I see it. X square all over 2 times 4 is equal to what? I wanted us to end on a good note with a simple question. Let's end on a good note with a simple question. So quickly solve this, then that will be the end of the class for today. All right? Okay. So solve. If I wait for next 1 minute and nobody solve, then we'll go ahead. Okay. Thank you, Bogno. Bogno has said 8. All right. So that is it. Okay. Kumari. 8. Okay. Mr. Rona, hi. All right. 8. Okay. Any more answers? Okay, so we've gotten 3 answers. Like I said, I want this class to end on a good note. So we have 8 square. Let me solve it. 8 square all over 2 times 4. Remember, 8 square is 8 times 8. Okay, 8 times 8 is 8 square. All over 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, so 1 8 will cancel 1 8 and we have 8, and that is the answer. So you see, that is very easy. So please, I want to thank you for today. Thank you so much. So much. Okay. So thank you so much for today. Thank you so much for today. I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you, Bogno. Thank you for participating. Thank you to all those who participated in today's classes. Okay, wait, I'm waiting for something. We have Shreya, we have Game World, Wave, Jaributen, Elod, Arifia, Kekana, Wilson, Naruto. Thank you. Wilson, Naruto. Okay, so I'm calling out all those who participated today. We have Weda, we have Emmanuel, we have Yash. All right. So I'm calling out those who participated today. Bogno, Ashwani, Kralun Menati. We have Exavi Messis, Rene Askes, Shreya. I've called Wilson. Okay, and today here we're having Kumari and Mr. Rona. So I appreciate you guys a lot. God bless you for participating in our live class today. So there will be a class tomorrow. Okay, that class tomorrow was supposed to hold by 12 noon, but I have to go somewhere in the morning section. So that class will hold by 3 p.m. By this time tomorrow, the class will start 3 p.m. Okay, so this time now, check your time. Minus it. This is now is 3:19 on my time. So by 3 p.m. the class will start tomorrow. Okay. So please, I want you to help me turn on your notification button, turn the notification button that is on our channel, so that whenever we come live, we'll know. Because tomorrow I will go somewhere tomorrow. As soon as I come back, I will be live, so that you don't miss the class tomorrow. Okay. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have stayed from beginning to the end of this class, help us by giving us a thumbs up so that we'll take that as your way of saying thank you. So know that I love and appreciate you guys a lot. I wish you all the best. And to every Nigerian that is here, I wish you happy Independence Day, because today is our independence. I appreciate you guys a lot.